Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to merge cells in the flexible table block slash plugin in WordPress. So here we have an example table to play with, and let's mess with the first column, and then let's mess with a row later on. So in order to merge cells, right, you have to select a cell, hit Control on your keyboard to select a different one, and now click on over here, Edit Table, and you'll have this drop down. Just click on Merge Cells, and these three cells or whichever ones you select will be merged. Now, how about rows? It's just the same process. Click on a cell, hit Control on your keyboard, and click on the next one that you want to merge, and just click on Merge Cells. Now, you'll see that only one cell's data has been saved. So this one was A, B, C, and now it's just A. This one was E and H, I think, and then it's just E now. So let's hit Control Z and undo our progress there, and let's click on Global Settings. Head over to Editor Options, and there's going to be the setting, keep all contents when merging cells. Let's enable that and see what happens once we save it. Now, the same thing, let's go ahead and select a cell first and foremost, and hit Control on our keyboard and select which cells we want to merge. Click on Merge Cells, and you can see it saves all of the data. And the same thing with here, I'm selecting E, I'm hitting Control on my keyboard, and now H. Now let's merge these cells, and you can see it retains the data. So there is a real quick and dirty way for you to know how to merge cells in the flexible table block in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey, if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out one of our other videos, or go ahead and check out our channel and subscribe to see more content like this.